Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this vintage Seiko QEK101G. This is also known as the Pyramid Talking Alarm Clock. These were released in 1984 and considered the world's first talking quartz clock. So let's hear this thing.
12:04 a.m.
How cool is that? So anyway, once you want to change the clock or the time, the actual information in the display is right on the bottom. Here are the keys to changing the time, also the date and the alarm, as well as the stopwatch that it also features. So let's go ahead and make changes to the time. So there's an unlock and lock button that you'll be using whenever you're making a change to the time and everything else. And then you've got your set button here, as well as a mode select and a reset button here. So let's hit the unlock and it'll flash first with the seconds. We can set it and it'll go back to 0 and then go to the mode of the hour. Let's change that. Let us change the hour to, let's just say 8:15. Actually 8:17. There you go. And then you hit it again and it's going to go to the calendar. We'll set that to 6:20. And then a Saturday. And you'll notice that it scrolls through the day and then we're set. So we will hit the lock button. All right, so now we're set at the proper time and everything. And then when we want to make changes to the alarm, we can go to where it says alarm and you'll see a highlighted lines right there under alarm, and that means you're in alarm. And then you'll hit the unlock button again and that'll flash, and we can change that again to, let's just say 6:15, and then hit the lock button and now you're set. Now if you want to turn the alarm on, you hit that button under speak and then you'll see the character right there. And there you go. Keep doing that. And you'll see that and then that. And then you'll hit the set button there for chime and that'll show you a bell right there. So yeah, and then if we scroll one more time, you'll see that there is a stopwatch, and this is a very simple stopwatch. It's not like your conventional digital stopwatch where it runs really fast. This one basically goes through the seconds only right there. And then when you want to stop it, you stop it. And then if you want to reset, you hit the reset button on the left side. And that's it. Easy as that. And when you want to get back to the time, you simply go through and hit the mode again until you get to the normal clock and time. All right, so now that it's 8:20, let's listen to it again.
8 8:20 a.m.
Cool. Yeah, so yeah, these are again rare, hard to find items because they just don't make these things anymore, and it's something that you get lucky when you do find it um, somewhere. Um, this thing works off of two AAA,
8:20 a.m.
two AAA batteries, and then you can set this thing to go off and talk, I think in like 15, 30, and every hour. You can set this thing to say the time um, for those intervals. So it's kind of cool um, to do that, but sometimes it freaks you out because it starts to turn on and talk, and it did for me. Anyway, this thing is approximately about 3.25 inches wide on each side, and then the height is it's approximately 3 inches tall. So I've seen this thing. Obviously, you see this in gold, but the I've seen it in black as well on other videos. So I thought I'd mention that as well. And then, but this item right here has a couple of scuffs here, but obviously it doesn't affect the functionality or performance of the unit, and that's pretty much it. But anyway, I thought I'd show you what this thing looks like and sounds like. I hope you like that. Let me know what you guys think about this clock. I'd love to hear for somebody that has one, and tell me how it works for you. All right, anyway, I hope you liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
8:22 a.m.